Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to get connects on Upwork for free. Now, Upwork is a really good site for freelancers to use and clients to find freelancers for different projects. So here we are at the website. There are a few ways to get free connects. So I just brought up a link that we're going to leave in the description under this video, and it's going to take you to a page where it explains everything about connects, how to get them. You can get free monthly connects every month. Freelancer Basic accounts receive 10 free connects each month, which is a basic recurring plan. You can always buy them, but here in the Earn Connects section is where we're really gonna dig in. So when you join Upwork, if you purchase 100 connects or subscribe to their Plus plan, they'll receive a one-time bonus of 50 connects to help get you started on Upwork. You'll also receive 30 free connects if you earn a Rising Talent. And a Rising Talent badge is essentially when you're still new to the site and you start getting good reviews back. You'll be awarded that badge. And then you'll also receive free connects if you win an interview with an established client. In order to prevent gaming the system, they don't give you the exact details of what an established client is, but it's typically someone that has hired and spent money on Upwork in the past. You'll also get one-time connects if you complete an Upwork skill certification, and if you submitted a proposal, you may see opportunities to receive a one-time connect bonus by completing educational content about trust and safety on Upwork. And then underneath all of that, you'll see how to redeem promo codes, how to manage your connects, return connects, all this information about anything you're going to need to know. But here is the frequently asked questions, and these are going to answer more of the questions that people normally have. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.